So this is the SainSmart 3018 router, and if you're controlling it with the remote control such as this, then you don't necessarily know where the axes are, and in particular the Z axis, so you don't know how far you are through the cut. So I made this little indicator which just has a pointer on top of the stepper motor spindle, which just shows you where it is. The pitch of the lead screw is 4mm, so a quarter of a turn on here is 1mm of vertical motion. I've actually just made this additional part, which is a rotary scale. It's like a dial gauge in effect. So this is just a snug fit in the opening here, and you can adjust this to suit. So for example, I can set this red marker, I'll just mark with a felt tip pen, but I can set that to align with the pointer with the tool in the home position at 0Z, and if I start the program I can tell how deep the cut is at any point in time.